Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I just did this simple makeup look. It's not really an everyday look, but if I'm looking to do a little bit more, excuse me dog, if I'm looking to do a little bit more than what I normally do, this is my go-to. So we'll throw on some lashes and use us a nice foundation. I use my NARS today actually. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and let me know down below in the comments what you guys like to see. Also, everything I use today will be down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. And don't forget to like this video as well. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. Okay, so what I want to try out today is that makeup application where you put your bronzer, your concealer, your foundation on, and then you just blend it in, just kind of all at once. I've never done that before. I want to try it. I do not have a stick foundation. I just have my simple, my NARS that I wanted to use today. So we're going to try that out to see how that works doing this. But this video is pretty much going to be a voiceover because we need to go ahead and we need to get ready because I have to be out of here in like a little over an hour. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Hey you guys, so this is going to start the voiceover portion of the video. I will not be talking through the entire video, but today's, as you can tell, today I am going to try for the very first time is where we're going to go ahead and we're going to go with the concealer, our foundation, our bronzer, our contour. I did not do blush because I wanted to try a new blush, which you'll see later on in this video. But I really wanted to try this application because I know it's pretty popular and a lot of people have done it. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. Honestly, right there, I believe I kind of messed up a little bit. I meant to put the contour first, not the contour, I'm sorry, the bronzer. I meant to put the bronzer first, but honestly, I'm not really sure if I really like this color because it kind of seemed like it was almost identical to my skin tone. Well, not really identical, but it was pretty close to my skin tone. I normally use a deeper, more yellowish bronzer. Well, really kind of, I'll use a contour as a bronzer, but I'm trying to do it this correct way, less gray above, but eventually we'll start blending it in, and I did like it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shut up, and let's just get right back into the process. So yes, I'll be honest with you guys, I was very skeptical about doing this because like I said, I've never done this before. I'm more of the, we go product by product. We put on our foundation first, we put on our concealer, and so on and so on, putting everything on at once and then trying to blend everything in together had me a little nervous. And as I'm blending, like right now I'm looking and I'm just like, does this look like, because sometimes when you're under this lighting and you're doing your makeup, stuff can look different than what you guys see. So I was like, I don't know how this is looking. Am I looking crazy? But I had to remember, you blend in your lighter colors into your darker colors. So as you can see, I started with the concealer and then we just worked our way towards like the hairline. So you start with your concealer, then you're going to blend your concealer into your foundation right at the top of your face, and then I move to the foundation that's towards the chin area, and then I start working around with the bronzer, then lastly we're going to hit that contour. But that sponge, let me just say this, that sponge is the Dollar Tree brand Ioni. I really, really like that sponge. I'm actually planning on doing a video for you guys, best affordable sponges, and possibly another video, best affordable brushes as well. Then I'll show a demo with the application. But as you can see, it came together. It really came together. Like I'm crazy when it comes to the contour. I kind of just go a little ham, but me just doing it this way works out so well, and that skin looks amazing. It looks amazing. Shout out to my dermatologist actually for getting my face straight. But and then I also, let me just add, not just a dermatologist, but I did shave my face, I believe 2 days prior to this. So the face was smooth. We were very much moisturized prior to, and looking at it, I love it. Now, no, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, so I barely used any foundation. And when I tell you I like the way this came out, because I'm the kind of person, when I do my makeup, I tend to go a little heavy on the contour. And all I did was I took my Marc Jacob, this is actually, I think, a foundation, no, it's a concealer. Yeah, it's a concealer stick that I actually found at Marshall's, and I used that for like my little contour, and I did a little lighter color today for a bronzer. Normally I use the Bronze Bell is what I normally use for it, but I was more using that as a contour. And of course, you know, you always learn something new almost every day from all of the makeup girlies, and I was doing it a little bit switched up, but I actually like the way this came out. I didn't put any blush on because I did want to try this with you guys. Let me move my microphone down just a little bit. I wanted to try this with you guys. It is the Hard Candy Selfie, their cheek tint. So all you do is, it's clear. So you put a little bit on. I didn't even set my stuff yet, but anyway, we're gonna try this first. So I don't want to go in directly and put this on my skin. So I'm going to put it on my hand, and it is definitely, it's sheer. It's definitely clear. So we're going to go in, let's put some like on my finger, and let's just, I always put mine on right on my cheek. Oh, wow. So it's supposed to, I believe, match your body's pH balance. So I wonder if this is the color blush that I should be getting anyway. Can you really, I don't really think you guys can really see too much on camera, but it's like a nice little flush of pink. Okay, let me just say this about this Hard Candy sheer cheek tint. I do and I don't like it. I love the color. I don't know if it's just, it's sheer, like just clear, but I don't know if it's just like a tint that it's giving, like a, because when I put it on my hand, you can see the slight pinkness to it. When you put it on, love the way it looks. Only thing is, it leaves your face very shiny in that one spot. So you'll eventually see me go in with like a double-ended brush, and I'm gonna take some powder and I'm gonna kind of go over the cheeks where we had that sheer powder, not sheer powder, I'm sorry, the sheer blush tint. But we're just finishing up right now. We're doing our last little more contouring the nose, because I didn't really like the contour that I had put earlier, because like I said, that bronzer that I was using is a lighter color than what I normally use, so I had to go in some more. And we're just taking just our simple, like a nice powder cheek blush, just to add a little bit more. And like I said, sometimes I can be a little heavy-handed on the blush, which it kind of looks like I'm getting close to that point. But I will take a brush and I'm going to fix that up a little bit. See, there it is. And there, I'm gonna go over with the same brush I used with my face powder to set the face, and that's pretty much gonna tone down that pink blush that I put on. But I really like this application. So we just went with some MAC Fix Plus This you don't want to do with a setting spray. You want to do with just like a face mist, so we can blend everything together once again with that beauty sponge that we used from the beginning. The video, actually, you did not get to see me doing my lips because I do have that on my TikTok and also my Instagram, which will be down below in the comment box, not comment, I'm sorry, in the description box down below. They'll have direct links to my Instagram and my TikTok where I do upload, you know, little tips and tricks from the videos that I am filming. But this is just lastly just me putting on some falsies from the Dollar Tree. This is by LA Colors. I did cut them, but I do like these. But that's pretty much going to be the end of the talk over. So I'll let the video finish playing out for you guys. So this is the end of the video, and I love the way this look came out. I like everything that I used today, but of course this is usually my normal stuff that I always have. But the Hard Candy Selfie Cheek Tint, I'm not quite sure. I don't really think it showed too much with the foundation, which I used a full coverage foundation, so possibly is better either on its own or if you do it with a tinted hydrator, CC cream, or something that's more of a thinner consistency. But other than that, I really like this. Like I said earlier, this is pretty much like a go-to for me, with the exception of maybe the lashes and the full coverage foundation. But the application is totally new, and at first I was a little iffy on it, but it ended up working out because I absolutely love the way that it came out, and less is more. Like, I barely use any product to put this on, so not sure if I'll do it more often like that, but it might be a more usual thing that I'll include in my makeup routine. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that like button. And also, while you're here, I'll also put some more videos on the screen that you guys can look at while you're here. So I will see you in the next video.